Welcome to the beautiful English Garden, one of the most peaceful attractions inside Assiniboine Park in Winnipeg, Manitoba. As soon as you enter, you're surrounded by vibrant flowers, lush greenery, and a calm atmosphere that instantly relaxes your mind. Walking through the garden. Every pathway in this garden offers something unique. Colorful flowers, carefully designed landscapes, and well-maintained walking trails make this place perfect for nature lovers, photographers, and families. Beautiful plants and flowers. The English Garden is home to a wide variety of seasonal flowers and ornamental plants. During summer, the garden comes alive with bright colors and fresh fragrances, creating a truly magical experience. Artistic garden features. Throughout the garden, you'll notice artistic wooden structures, decorative landscapes, and creative garden designs that blend perfectly with nature. Every corner feels like a picture-perfect location. A peaceful park views. One of the best things about this place is its peaceful environment. Whether you want to enjoy a quiet walk, relax on a bench, or simply admire the scenery, this garden offers the perfect escape from busy city life. Historic building view. Nearby, you can also enjoy beautiful views of the historic pavilion and the open green spaces of Assiniboine Park, making this destination even more special for visitors. The English Garden is beautifully maintained throughout the year, with carefully arranged flower beds, healthy trees, and charming landscapes that reflect the beauty of classic English-style gardening. Family-friendly atmosphere. Families, tourists, couples, and nature enthusiasts all come here to enjoy the peaceful surroundings. It's an ideal place for photography, picnics, and creating unforgettable memories. Final walk. As we continue exploring, every pathway reveals another beautiful view, reminding us how relaxing and refreshing nature can be. This is truly one of Winnipeg's hidden gems. Thank you for joining me on this peaceful journey through the English Garden at Assiniboine Park in Winnipeg, Canada. If you enjoyed this beautiful tour, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next adventure.
Our next stop is the Leaf and Diversity Gardens. 60 from the Paw to Winnipeg. And that was really the end of the commercial steam era in Canada.
아직 아무도 게. 나 지금.